Welcome to Jackal DIY and Tech. In this video I have a laptop that I got from a friend and let's see if I can fix it. The issue with this laptop is that most of the time it does not actually power on, and when it does it gets to the login page and then it completely freezes. Based on my limited knowledge, let's see what I can do. I have already opened the laptop, and the laptop in question is a Lenovo V15ADA from 2021. So first I will just take out the battery and power cycle the laptop, maybe that will help. So disconnect the battery. Let's see if this will do anything. So just power cycling through to get all of the electricity out. Now let's see if there is any change if I just plug the adapter in while the battery is disconnected. And no change. I did try out multiple things, but the issue that I found, at least I think it's the issue, is with the onboard memory. Now I did find a video by Electronics Repair School on YouTube. I can't remember if it's this specific video, but based on the video that I watched, I would basically have to flash the BIOS with a modified BIOS that would disable the onboard memory sticks, and then I would have to install an additional memory stick to the empty slot. But since I don't have the tools and I have never done anything like this, and also it wasn't my laptop, so I did not want to mess it up in case the owner wanted to give the laptop to an actual tech service. So while I wasn't successful, I did learn at least one thing, and that is to never buy a laptop with onboard memory, because if anything goes bad with it, you're pretty much out of luck. Now that's it for this quick video, and we'll do something else in the next one.